Good morning, dear students. How are you all of? Okay, dear students, last class already we discussed what many important terms related to chemical kinetics, which is very important terms, or also long question. Yes or no? What that one little bit we have to discuss. Okay, again will be revised. Now first one is there, integrated rate equation. Yes or no, dear student? This is the first term which is the starting from long questions. Rate expression for zero order reaction and rate expressions for first order reaction, and including also half life period. So all of you listen properly, little bit we have to revise. Okay, already we done it, that one. Integrated rate equation means what, dear students? All of us know, or already I told you the last class, the concentration dependence of a rate is called a differential rate equation. When we integrate this differential rate equation, then we are getting a relationship between directly molar concentration at different type and rate constant. Molar concentration at a different type and a rate constant. When these two differential rate constant and molar concentration at different time and rate constant, this relationship is known as a integrated rate equation. Yes or no, dear students? Already I told you last class. Okay. Next, integrated rate equation after what is there? Then there are two important long question is there. One is a rate expressions for zero order reaction and a half life period. Number two, rate expressions for a first order reaction and a half life period. Dear students, these are the two important long questions for chemical kinetics units. I hope this question will be sure come either zero order or either first order, or this is a mathematical expressions. I hope you all people, sorry, you all students are practice more and more time. Already we done it last class. Yes or no? So first one is what, rate expression for a zero order reaction means what? We know very well, in zero order reaction means what, the rate of reaction is proportional to 0 power of the concentration of reactants. Dear students, according to zero order reaction, the genuine example is only for possible to a general reaction A gives rise to B. Its power is 0. But the genuine things when the chemical reaction is not possible. There is no concentration of reactant species is 0. Please remember. Okay, only for it is possible for general reactions. Okay, A gives rise to B, then we can be write A to the power 0. This is the only possible of a zero order reaction for a general reaction. Okay, so the zero order reaction definition, then here some mathematical terms is there. Yes or no? Mathematical terms at integrated, about of integrated topic and time, initial concentration of A and final concentration of 0. Yes or no? Then at finally we are getting the rate expressions for zero order reaction, molar concentration of initial concentration of A and this is the molar concentration of reactant species. This is the initial concentration of reactant species by time. So dear students, this is the rate expression for a zero order reaction equation. Okay, please all of you remember this equation. Okay, this equation is first importance. Okay, already I told you. Then this is the what, rate constant for a zero order reaction. Then rate constant for a half life period means what? And do you know very well half life period means what? I told you, dear students, half life period is the time when or in which half of this substance is reacted. Suppose molar concentration of A is there means its initial value A to the power 0 by 2. Suppose time is T is there means T half. Yes or no? Already I told you the last class. So next, the rate expression for a zero order reaction for half life period, we are getting T half equal to what? Initial concentration of reactant species A0 by 2K. This is the equation for half life period for a zero order reaction. These are the two equations. Please all of you remember carefully. Okay, already this is finished for a rate expression for a zero order reaction. Next, rate expression for a first order reaction. First order reaction also I told you. Do you know very well first order reaction means what? The rate of reaction is directly proportional to the molar concentration of a single reacting substance. For example, like this A gives rise to product. This one molar concentration of A1 is there. Yes or no? Here also one mathematical expression is there. So many derivation is there. Here let the initial number of A moles per liter after time X, then we are getting R proportional A minus X, R equal to K A minus X, like the mathematical derivation is there, and integration also there, and constant value also there, logarithm value also we have to done it here. Then last we are finally conclusion part, we are getting the rate expression for first order reaction 2.303 by 2 log A by A minus X. Dear students, I hope this equation will be remembered. Okay, this is the rate expressions for a first order reaction K1 equal to 2.303 by 2 log A by A minus X. Okay, dear students, so next half-life period, including of a rate expression for first order reaction half-life period. Already I told you half-life period is the time, it is the time during interval when a substance is reacted to half. Yes or no? When? Because here first rate constant is there. When we find out the T, means T equal to 2.303 by K1 log A by minus X. Then finally the half-life period we are getting T half equal to 0.693 by K. This is a very important equation. Please all of you remember. I hope this question will be come from your board examination, or it is a objective type question or multiple type question, bit questions. Okay, dear students, already last class we done it, that one already we discussed. Okay, dear students, anyway today I am going to teach you again the importance topics, the numerals on the based of a first order reaction and a half-life period. Numerals means numericals, जानिजो किछि mathematical terms. Numericals on the base काहाकु base करी of first rate expression for first order reaction and a half-life period. And finally, when we go to the numerals, then the before time we should be know the what do you mean by rate expression for a zero order reaction, what is the equation, and what is the half-life period for a zero order reaction. Okay, please again पुणी थरे मु देखै दोछि. दिस इज द रेट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर जीरो ऑर्डर रिएक्शन. ए इक्वेशन रिमाइंडर करिया को पड़िबो. हाफ लाइफ पीरियड पई भी ए इक्वेशन रिमाइंडर करिया को पड़िबो. देन ना कोन रेट एक्सप्रेशन सॉरी एटा रेट एक्सप्रेशन फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन पई ए इक्वेशन रिमाइंडर करिया को पड़िबो. लेट ए इनिशियल लेट ए माइनस एक्स फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन 2.303 logarithm t होजी टाइम k1 होजी फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ रेट ए कांस्टेंट. Then T half equal to 0.693 by K, where K equal to rate constant 0.693. ये कौन हाफ लाइफ पीरियड वैल्यू T हाफ बोला हाफ लाइफ पीरियड. ओके ना कौन पाई सब कहली पुणी थोड़े देखली ना न्यूमेरिकल्स करबा पई हमको एई सब चारटा इक्वेशन मन रखिया को पड़िबो. ओके चलो आमे करबा फर्स्ट न्यूमेरिकल्स नंबर 1. ए फर्स्ट ऑर्डर मु छाड़ दे छि पिले. A first order reaction has a rate constant. That means गोटे first order reaction पाखरे पुणी rate constant माने किए पिले. Rate constant means K. Rate constant रो value केते दे दीजिए ना 1.15 into 10 to the power minus 3 second inverse. Do you know very well, dear students, what is the unit of rate constant? Second inverse. Yes or no? ना rate रो unit कौन पिले? Second inverse ना नहीं और minute inverse तारे unit ता दे. Please, dear students, don't forget the units. If you forget the units, means definitely your mark will be deducted. Okay. Next, how long will 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce 3 gram? How long माने से time मागी केते length will हबो will future 5 gram means this is our A initial concentration of reactant. 5 gram of this reactant take to reduce 3 gram. Final रे हबो 3 gram. Question टा बुझिलो ना. ए दे दीजिए 5 ग्राम, इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन देला 5 ग्राम, फाइनल देला 3 ग्राम. हेले टाइम टा सेम मागिछि केते टाइम हाउ लॉन्ग विल टाइम मागिछि, बट रेट कांस्टेंट भी दे दीछि. देखो तुम माने जानि छ न्यूमेरिकल्स करिया पई एट फर्स्ट हमको कोन करिया को पड़ी थाई पिले आंसर लिखि गिवन लिखिबा को दिया छै. गिवन माने कोन पिले दत्त. मैथमेटिकल रे थ्योरम रे लिखुथिबो गिवन. ओडिया मीडियम पिला दत्त. प्रामाण्य अंकन बल लिखुथिबो. इंग्लिश मीडियम पिला गिवन. कंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रूफ एमती लिखुल ना सेमती आमर केमिस्ट्री न्यूमेरिकल्स करने केमिस्ट्री बोल ना फिजिक्स केमिस्ट्री फर्स्ट जहाँ सब गिवेन दिखाई आम लिखा पड़ो गिवेन माने कौन कौन दिखाई इनिशियल कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ ए देला पिले 5 ग्राम फाइनल कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट देला 3 ग्राम रेट कांस्टेंट फर्स्ट रेट कांस्टेंट दे देला 1.15 into 10 to the power -3 second inverse. Then what is the time? Determine the time. When, dear students, when we determine the time, then we know very well expression for the first order reaction है पिले आम नॉर्मल एग्जांपल दौचु आम जिते बड़े गोटे गोटे कौन गोटे चाइल्डा गोटे शिशुटी ABCD अल्फाबेटिकल ऑर्डर शिखापी प्रथम ABCD सपोज वर्णमाला Z पर्यंत शिखापी से ABCD छाड़ी डायरेक्ट PQRL में UVWXYZ शिखुचे कि पिले ना स्टार्टिंग रु ताको ABCD शिखा पड़ी था सेमती पिले ये आम कौन टाइम काढ़ापी पुणी फर्स्ट आमको रेट कांस्टेंट काढ़ापी पड़ी था ओके एक्सप्रेशन फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शन द रेट कांस्टेंट फर्स्ट k = 2.303 by t log a by a - x थिला ताकू मु डायरेक्ट टाइम मागी तो टाइम काट देली सो वी नो वेरी वेल दिस इज द रेट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर फर्स्ट ऑर्डर रिएक्शंस सो t = 2.303 by k log a by a - x ये इक्वेशन रिमाइंडर करिया पई कहली इफ यू आर रिमाइंडर दिस इक्वेशन देन डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू डू इट otherwise those who are not reminder this equation means that candidates or that students or that people will be dash etc happening. Okay, I hope you all people are not etc, you all people are reminder this one. Okay, so t equal to this is the value, then we have to put t equal to 2.303 by here k rate constant is there, then you write this value, substitute this value into log a is given 5 by a minus x is given 3. Okay, this is the step. Next dear students, what? So t equal to 2.303 by this is the k rate constant value into log 5 by 3 means its formula is there log 5 log a by b formula log a minus log b, that's why log 5 minus log 3. Next step again the value is same is there into log 5 means how much dear students? log 5 रो value 0.6990 minus log 3 रो value 0.4771. सर यही भैल्यू केमी आला केमी जानले कौटू आप बायहेड कले कौटू घसीदे कि कौटू चिटिंग कर आप पकईदे यार भैल्यू देख केमी देख लगारिदम टेबल मुझे तुमको देखा ना पिले यही जो log 5 आउ log 3 रो भैल्यू माने log 5 टेबल लगारिदम टेबल आउ आंटी लगारिदम टेबल शुणीच ना देख न शुणी भी मुझे देखी दूसरी ये हूँ लगारिदम टेबल वैल्यू माने ये हूँ एंटी लगारिदम वैल्यू व्हिच इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस आवर मैथमेटिकल डेरिवेशंस ना ये लगारिदम आंटी लगारिदम कौन पे हम ये करता ना मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन रे व्यवहार करने आम यार प्रयोग कर ठीक अच्छे log 5 माने वैल्यू देखो कौन दे 0.6990 फास्ट log 5 माने पिली log 50 देख यहाँ हूँ log 10 माने 1 20 माने 2 वैल्यू देख log 30 माने 3 वैल्यू देख सेमती आमको मागी log 5 माने 50 ना नहीं पिले देख log 50 माने केते देछि वैल्यू 0 रे 6990 कौन देछि पिले 6990 देखो जूम करी भी देखई देली 6990 देछि ना नहीं 50 माने देखो मु राउंड करी 6990 देछि ना नहीं तो जेते बेले भी मन रख log 5 रो वैल्यू तुम जदि लिखिया पई चाहूछ ता बिफोर हमको कौन देबाक पड़िबो पॉइंट लिखिया पड़िबो 0.6990 लिखियो माइनस log 3 माने एटी केते देखियो पहिले log 30 देखिबो log 30 देखो पहिले केते देछि देखो मु क्लिक कर 30 और 4771 देछि ना नहीं पहिले ताको भी 0.4771 ऑलरेडी दिस वैल्यू यार वैल्यू गिवन दे देथिबो नले तुमको रिमाइंडर भी करबा को पड़ी थाए किछि केस रे देई थाए किछि केस रे देई भी न थाए ओके log 5 log 3 रो वैल्यू मु पकेइली पुणी थरे टी रो वैल्यू ताको ये करी इंटू एतिकी रु एतिकी माइनस करबा जेतिकी वैल्यू आसिले टी इक्वल टू 444 सेकंड इनवर्स आसीबो तुमको मैथमेटिकल डेरिवेशन तो बुझुजी याको डिवाइजन याको सबट्रैक्शन मिश्रण फेडना मो छोट छुआ वाला शिखौथिबी ना कोन तमे आर डेसिमल रो कटाकुटी करबो कैंसिल करबो लास्ट रे वी आर गेटिंग द टाइम इक्वल टू 4445 सेकंड इनवर्स दिस इज आवर टाइम टेकन okay dear students this is the numericals number 1 is complete numerical number 2 what is first question if first order reaction takes 40 minutes गोटे first order reaction पुणी taking करिवो केते 40 minutes time नबो for केते decomposition रे 30% decomposition माने कोन बिले जानि छ a chemical substance is break down from a compound माने गोटे compound टा गोटे कंपाउंडा कौन हम कि हिट देवा द्वारा कि टाइम देवा द्वारा पुणी सी कौन डिकम्पोजिशन हो भांगी डिस्प्लेस हो स्टॉप कैलकुलेट इट्स हाफ लाइफ पीरियड आम रेट एक्सप्रेशन फॉर टाइम रोटे काले एवं हाफ लाइफ पीरियड काढ़ा है रिलेटेड बेसिकली इंपोर्टेंस पे हाफ लाइफ पीरियड को बेस कर किसी न्यूमेरिकल्स आसो ओके चलो गिवन ए दीजिए 100% 30% माने 100 ରୁ 30% ना इनिशियल फाइनल दे दीजिए x इक्वल टू 30%. सो a माइनस एक्स इक्वल टू आम जानी 100 माइनस 30 इक्वल वी आर गेटिंग 70% हाँ ना नहीं